In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 50 variations in WooCommerce, which can be particularly useful if you're managing an online store and need a bit more flexibility with your product offerings. By default, WooCommerce imposes a limit on the number of variations you can add for a single product, typically capping it at 50. However, many store owners find themselves needing more variations to cater to their customers' needs. So, let's dive into a simple solution for increasing this threshold. The key lies in tweaking a small piece of code, and don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First, we need to access your WordPress site's theme files, specifically the functions .php file. To do this, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu, and from there, click on Theme Editor. It's here that you can access and modify the PHP files related to your current theme. Before making any changes, it's crucial to back up your site. Regular backups ensure that you can restore your site to its original state if anything goes wrong. Many hosting providers offer one-click backup solutions, so take a moment to secure your existing site data. Once your backup is safe, in the theme editor, locate the functions.php file from the list on the right. This file is essentially the backbone of your theme, allowing you to add custom features and functionalities to your site without the need for a separate plugin. Now, it's time to add the code necessary to increase the variation threshold. Scroll down to the bottom of the functions.php file and prepare to enter the following snippet. Add filter. WooCommerce Ajax variation threshold. Custom WWS Ajax variation threshold. 10. 2. Function custom WWS Ajax variation threshold product. Return 500. This code effectively raises the number of variations from 50 to 500, or any number that your server can comfortably handle. If you require a limit higher than 500, you can adjust the number accordingly, but remember to keep it within what your server can process. After you've added this snippet, save the changes to the functions file by clicking the Update File button just below the code editor. If you've done everything correctly, your WooCommerce platform should now support up to 500 variations per product. As a quick reminder, always verify your site functionality after making these kinds of adjustments. Clear your browser and site cache, then visit your product pages to ensure they display as expected. Troubleshooting any issues early on minimizes downtime and keeps your store running smoothly. And there you have it, a straightforward method to enhance your WooCommerce site by increasing the product variation limit. Enjoy the newfound flexibility in customizing your product listings and better serving your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.